Welcome to Anyang Forging Press. Video shows the C92K 63 KJ CNC forging hammer performance. CNC hammer molds can include many processes, such as upsetting, pre-forging, forming, etc. Unlike ordinary forging hammers, CNC hammers are controlled by PLC programs, so they can ensure forging repeatability. The forging accuracy of the CNC hammer is about 1.5%, can do precision forging works. The installation of the CNC hammer is simple and the construction period is about 5 days. We can arrange engineers to go to customer workshops to install and debug equipment. Thank you for watching, have a nice day.